Why are there so many stars and how can we understand their distance? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing thousands of tiny points of light. Have you ever wondered why there are so many stars shining above us? Or how astronomers figure out how far away they are? Well, let's explore these fascinating questions together. The universe is filled with stars because of how galaxies and star systems form. After the universe began with the Big Bang, most of the matter was hydrogen and helium gas. Over billions of years, gravity pulled this gas into dense regions called molecular clouds. These clouds are like stellar nurseries where stars are born. When parts of a cloud become dense enough, they collapse under their own gravity. As they do, they heat up and eventually start nuclear fusion, creating a new star. Most star formation happens in the spiral arms of galaxies, like our Milky Way. These arms have the perfect conditions for clouds to collapse and give birth to stars. Interestingly, the process tends to produce many small stars, called low-mass stars, because large clouds often break into smaller pieces when they collapse. That's why the universe has billions of galaxies, each packed with billions of stars. Now, understanding how far away these stars are is just as important as knowing why they exist. For stars close to us, astronomers use a method called parallax. It's similar to how our eyes judge distance by looking at an object from two different angles. By observing a star from opposite sides of Earth's orbit around the Sun, they see how much the star appears to shift. From this shift, they can calculate the star's distance. For stars that are farther away, scientists use other techniques. One common way is to study stars called Cepheid variables. These stars pulse at regular intervals, and their brightness changes in a predictable way. By measuring how bright the star appears from Earth and knowing how bright it truly is, astronomers can estimate its distance. This is called the standard candle method. Another way involves looking at how the universe is expanding. When astronomers observe very distant stars or galaxies, they see their light stretched into longer wavelengths, a phenomenon called redshift. The more redshifted the light, the farther away the star or galaxy is. This helps scientists map out the universe's structure and understand its history. Knowing the distances to stars helps us see the big picture of how galaxies are arranged and how the universe evolved. It also explains why the night sky isn't filled with light from every star. The universe is not infinitely old, so light from the most distant stars hasn't reached us yet. That's why space looks mostly dark, even though it's full of stars. Understanding stars and their distances helps us appreciate the vastness of the universe and our place in it. It also pushes us to develop better telescopes and technology to explore more of the cosmos. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding the incredible universe we live in.